Hello friends, today in this video I am going to tell about product of permutations. So let's get begin. First we know what is a permutation. We will know definition of a permutation. Permutation is nothing but a bijection map. That is, let F is a map from the set A to B, and if this map is a bijection map that is 1 1 and onto map, then this map will be called as a permutation on set A to set B. As here F is a permutation, that is a bijection, then the cardinality of both sets will be equal to n, that is both are same. Then if we form a set of all permutations such that it is from A to B and it is a bijection, and the cardinality of A and B equal to n, and this set is generated by Pn, that is capital P and in suffix n. We denote n here because the cardinality of A and B is n. So this is the set of all permutation on the set of cardinality n. Now if we take two permutations, say F and G, from the P4, that is set of all permutation on 4 symbols, then if we want to take an example of F, then it is from a set 1 2 3 4, that is 4 symbol here, and 1 2 3 4. Let the image of 1 is 4 and image of 2 is 3, image of 3 is 1 and image of 4 is 2. So this is a permutation map from a set A to set B. Then we can denote this permutation F as, first we write all the elements from the domain in one line, that is 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4. Now write the image of each element below that element, that is image of 1 is 4, so write 4 here. Image of 2 is 3, so write 3 here. Image of 3 is 1, so 1 write below the 3. And image of 4 is 2, so write 2 in below the element 4. So this is the representation of any permutation. Also we can write here F as, if we write the domain as 2 3 1 and 4 like this, then also we can denote this permutation F as, write first image of 2 here, so image of 2 is 3, so write 3. Image of 3 is 1, image of 1 is 4 and image of 4 is 2. So also we can write this permutation as this, both are equal. Also we can represent any permutation in cyclic form. To represent any permutation in cyclic form, first we write any element, say 1, then find the image of 1 from here. Image of 1 is 4, so write 4. Now find image of 4. Image of 4 is 2, so write 2. Now find image of 2. Image of 2 is 3, so write 3. Now find image of 3. Image of 3 is 1. So 1 is already here, so we cannot repeat in the cyclic form. We have to close this cycle. So this permutation F also can be represented in cyclic form like this. This is called a cyclic form because we can represent this permutation in cyclic form like this: 1, 4, 2 and 3. And the direction is like this: 1, 4, 4, 2, 2, 3 and 3, 1. So direction is like this. We can also represent this permutation, this cycle, as we can restart from anywhere keeping the direction same. Say we have to restart from this element 2, so write 2. Now going this direction, after 2 we have to write 3, and after 3 we have to write 1, and after 1 we have to write 4, and after 4 it is 2, but 2 is already here, so we have to close it. In the cyclic form we cannot repeat any element, so this cyclic form of F can also be represented by this cyclic form, but we cannot represent this cyclic form as 1, 2, 3, 4. This is not equal to this. So if you represent this as F dash, here F is not equal to F dash, because the direction of F dash is not like this. Here after 1 is 2, so but in this cyclic form after 1 is 4, so this is not equal to F. Now coming to our main topic of today's video, that is product of permutation. Product of permutations. Let two permutation F and G from the P4, that is set of all permutation of 4 symbols, and let F is equal to, in this form we have to first write it is 1, 2, 3, 4, and here 4, 3, 1, 2, and let G is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4 and 3, 2, 4, 1. And in cyclic form F can be represented as, first write any element, say 1, then find the image of 1. Image of 1 is 4, so write 4. Now find image of 4. Image of 4 is 2, so write 2. Now find image of 2. Image of 2 is 3, so write 3. Now find image of 3. Image of 3 is 1, but 1 is already here, so close. So here image of 1 is 4, image of 4 is 2, image of 2 is 3, and image of 3 is 1. So this is the cyclic form. Similarly, we can denote this permutation G as the cyclic form. First write 1 and find image of 1. Image of 1 is 3, so write 3. Now find image of 3. Image of 3 is 4, so write 4. Now find image of 4. Image of 4 is 1, but 1 is already here, so close. Now there is no 2, so write 2. Start other cyclic form with element 2. Now find image of 2. Image of 2 is 2, that is it is self mapped. We cannot write here 2 because 2 is already here, so we have to close it. See, all the elements here are present, so this G is complete here. So this permutation can be represented by this cyclic form of G. Now we will see what is the process of multiplication of F and G. First we see in this form F into G. First write F from here, 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, 3, 1, 2. Now as we know from here that we can shuffle in this form, so first write in the domain of G this row 4, 3, 1, 2. Now write the images of each element from G. Images of image of 4 is 1, so write 1. Image of 3 is 4, so write 4. And image of 1 is 3, so write 3. Image of 2 is 2. Now the second row of F and the first row of G are same, 4 3 1 2, 4 3 1 2. So in the process of multiplication F into G, first we have to write the first element of F, that is 1 2 3 and 4 from here, and write this second row of G, that is 1 4 2 1 4 3 2, 1 4 3 2. So this is the process of multiplication of F and G in this form. Now we have to see in this form, that is cyclic form. Now coming to the product of cyclic form F into G. So first write as it is in this form, that is 1 4 2 3 and 1 3 4 and in the last 2. So in this process of multiplication, first write any element, start from 1, then the find image of 1 from the first cycle, that is from here. So image of 1 is 4. Taking this element 4, jump to the second cycle and find image of 4. Here image of 4 is 1. Image of 4 is 1. So taking 1, jump to the next cycle, that is here. Here there is no 1, so image of 1 is 1. Now there is no left cycle here, so write this element 1 here, but 1 is already here, so close it. Now again we write the second element 2 in the next cycle, and again we find the image of 2 from the first cycle. Image of 2 is 3. Now taking this 3, go to the second cycle and find image of 3. Image of 3 is 4. Now taking 4, jump to this next cycle here, and here image of 4 is 4, and this is the last cycle, so we have to write that element, that is 4. Write here 4. Now taking this element 4, again repeat this same process, that is we have to find image of 4 from the first cycle, then next and then write. So image of 4 is 2. Taking 2, jump to the next cycle. Here there is no 2, so image of 2 is 2. Taking 2, jump to the next cycle. Here image of 2 is 2. There is no left here cycle, so write that element 2, but 2 is already here, so close. Now there is one element left, 3, so this is self mapped. Also we can check here for this element 3. So image of 3 is 1. Taking 1, jump to the next cycle and find image of 1. Image of 1 is 3. Taking 3, jump to this next cycle. Here there is no 3, so image of 3 is 3. There is no left here, so write 3. So 3 mapped to self mapped. So F into G is equal to this in the cyclic form. Also if we want to find the product of G into F, then first we write as it is 1 3 4 2 and 1 4 2 3. Now again we write an element, say 1, then find image of 1 from the first cycle. Image of 1 is 3. Now taking this image 3, go to the next cycle. We have not to check image of 3 in the first cycle again. We have to jump the next cycle. So image of 1 is 3. Taking this image 3, go to the next cycle and find image of 3. There is no 3, so image of 3 is 3. Now taking this image, that is 3, go to the next cycle and find of image of 3. Here image of 3 is 1. So taking this element, go to the next cycle. So as here there is no cycle left, so write again the image 1 here, but 1 is already here, so close it. Now start with second cycle with 2. We can start from any element, but for example we have to start with 2. Now find image of 2 from the first cycle. There is no 2, so image of 2 is 2, and go to the next cycle and find the image of 2. So here image of 2 is 2 because it is self mapped, and taking the element image, that is 2, go to the next cycle and find image of 2. Image of 2 is 3, and taking 3, go to the next cycle. There is no cycle, so write the last image, that is 3 here. Now find the image of 3 from again this direction, that is from the first cycle to this direction. Image of 3 in the first cycle is 4. Now taking this image 4, go to the next cycle. There is no 4, so image of 4 is 4. Now taking the image 4, go to the next cycle. Here image of 4 is 2, and there is no cycle here, so write the last image 2 here, but 2 is already here, so close it. Now the 4 is only element left, so it is self mapped here. If you have to check for this element again 4, so image of 4 is 1. Taking 1, go to the next cycle. Here there is no 1, so image of 1 is 1, and next cycle image of 1 is 4. There is no cycle left, so last image 4 we have to write here, but 4 is already here, so close it. All the elements are here, so G into F in the cyclic form is equal to this. We can also note here that F into G and G into F are both not equal. F into G not equal to G into F. By this statement we can easily say that product of disjoint cycles are not commutative. So this is a note here. I hope you understood the process of product of cycle and permutation. So that's it for today. Thank you for watching.